Hi YouTube viewers, it's me again, Nicholas Key. So first and foremost, thank you for staying tuned to my videos. I have added a new major feature to my music jukebox since the previous release. Before I elaborate further, there are three items I would like to address. The first item is about the user interface of the application. I spent some time to make the user interface as presentable as possible. You may see that the user interface looks a little brighter, a little fancier, and more colorful. I hope you find it appealing. The second item is about copyright issues. Now, if you look at the top left corner of the video, you may see the word playground. For your information, please bear in mind that playground is merely the code name of my pet project, and I do not intend to use the name as a brand or trademark. The third item is about the internationalization of page content. One can internationalize the content by harnessing some of the Java I18 classes. For example, the resource bundle class, properties class, and the locale class. The acronym I18N represents the word internationalization if you care to count the letters of the word. So, enough of the lengthy prologue. I suppose you are tired of listening to the technical terms. So, let me show you the meaty part of this presentation. I want to show you this awesome feature I have implemented. You may see a list of common languages around the world when I click at this link. Currently, it is set to English by default. Clicking at different languages will change the language of the page dynamically. For example, notice the word search in the submit button over here, and notice how it changes when I switch the language to Spanish, to French, to simplified Chinese, to traditional Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, the Malay language, Italian, and so on and so forth. It is self-explanatory, I hope. So I am able to change the language of the page seamlessly. Now, let's try the page content in Korean. By the way, there is a technique you may find useful. I engineered the backend, or the server side you may say, to read and write the strings in UTF-8 encoding. I have tried reading and writing the characters with glyphs without UTF-8 encoding, and I can see gibberish characters sometimes. So with UTF-8, I can render characters with glyphs correctly. Now, some of the examples of characters with glyphs are Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Vietnamese. I shall show you an example of Korean characters combined together with English characters to demonstrate to you that my code is doing the character encoding and decoding correctly. So let me try a name of a popular artist, a group, a male group singer in Korea. They call themselves Epic High, which is typed this way: Epic High. and one of their popular song is Love, Love, Love. Okay, as you may see here, these are the 50 result items pulled from the YouTube API dynamically, and these are the relevant results pertaining to the keyword string that I provided previously. Now, let me try a string of Chinese characters. I am typing in here the name of Jay Chow in Chinese, and I think, in my opinion, I think this means I do not deserve. Well, maybe I do not deserve you as the title. I mean, open open quote. I do not deserve you, closing quote. But anyway, let's try do a search. Okay, the page is rendered correctly. You might find that some words are in English, for example, next, or viewing results of 50 for this particular characters, but not in the context of the selected language. And our selected language, our currently selected language is Korean. The reason is simple. I honestly do not know the translation of the words in other languages unless I use the translation application at Yahoo, Babelfish, or Google Translation. So that is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I have enjoyed developing this application. Please feel free to pen your comments in the comment section. I look forward to read them, and hopefully we can discuss further about this application, or you can just scribble some thoughts and send it to me. I look forward to that. Um, Thank you.